Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace your headlight assembly. This is the front headlight assembly. It comes off as all one unit. You fortunately can take this off with the bumper still attached, or you can take the bumper off, but it's all the same. There is one bracket down under here that holds the bumper on, and there's two bolts down in there, but those bolts and the bracket don't interfere with you being able to remove this. So you've got two number 10 bolts right here, and we've got one number 12 bolt up here that we got to remove. And so you remove that number 12, and then if you remove these two number 10s, we have one electrical connector right back here that you're just going to squeeze and pull undone. And now what you can do is you just kind of move the light assembly forward, and just like that you can pop the thing up. And this is what's gripping it in there, right there, and it's right in this little tab there. And so you can be able to remove this whole headlight assembly if you need to replace it because it's broken, a rock has flown up and broke it. Then that's the way you can remove this headlight assembly. Now when you're putting a new one back on, you want to make sure that you've got the lights reinstalled, that you have lights in it when you put it on. This is your turn signal or parking light. We got our headlights, high and low beam, and right over here we have our side marker light. So once you get all that, then you can go back in the reverse order. Just make sure you drop that bottom tab in and press it back, and that'll be holding it into place. Connect the electric connector, and then be able to put the number 12 bolt in, and the two number 10s on the side here. There are three number 10s, this one's for the bumper, and then we've got two just straight behind it that are attached to the light itself. And so that's how you would replace your front headlight assembly if it needs to be on your 2018 Kia Soul.